Good morning, students. We are going to continue with our previous chapter about elections, where various important things as to how elections takes place, what are the different aspects of elections, what does it mean. Then we also studied about the importance of political parties and different names of political parties that exist. Then we studied about the important activities or things that are been role played by the election commissions, and what are their activities, what they do, and what are their important duties that they conduct during the time of election or before that also. And we understood the importance of ballot paper and different symbols that are being inscripted in the ballot paper. Then the procedures of elections that takes place, where we studied from the divided division of constituency. Then we understood about the preparation of the list of voting people which is done in the voter list for the particular period, where in the time where that elections are taking place or who are eligible to vote. Then we understood about the names of candidates who go to the appropriate authority who wants to stand in election and file their nomination, or giving their names to stand in election is known as nomination. Then this nomination paper are being scrutinized, and after this scrutiny they go for campaigning when approval is given to them, and they to tell the people. But the thing is that they have to stop the campaigning 2 days before the date of election, that is 48 hours before the election period. Then the last is when the election date comes and when the election is taking place, there the person who gets majority wins the election. And that is how the duty of that particular chosen person starts to become to being the representative of the people. They have to think about the welfare of the general people with all the fundamental duties and rights that are being incorporated to them, and do their workings in a fair and proper way. And it is also to be understood that during the time of election, there should not be any kind of unfair or unhealthy kind of practice. Certain times, bribery is given or money is given to buy votes from people. Certain times, forceful actions are being taken by political parties or organization so that they get vote by fearing the people, which should not be done. This is not a good practice, which is not allowed by the election commission, which is against the rules and regulations of the election commission. Now, the next is about how voting takes place. Okay, in this, there is an importance of ballot paper, a kind of paper where symbols are being written, names are being written that we discussed, where a person gives its seal or its approval. What happens? He is giving a vote to a political party, whichever he likes or whatever he chooses to. The next is about polling station. Now, these are the special institution or places where election takes place. Certain times it can be a government organization, a government institution, school, colleges, most probably chosen to conduct election or the to during the date of election to for the formalities of the conduction of elections to take place. Now, special officers are been appointed to take care of all the important activities of this election, which is the uh, officers or election duty officers or officers in charge in regarding to the election work. Okay. The next is about the importance of voter ID card. Now, voter ID card is important because it gives right to a particular person holding this card to go and vote. Okay, and it also gives an immense important acknowledgement of to a person to be stated as a citizen of the particular country. Now, our name is as per the name given in the voter list. Voter ID card is being taken by the citizens to give votes during the time of elections. Now, when they cast their votes to the people or to whichever people they like, the counting is done and the person who gets majority, he or she wins the election. The next important is about the EVM machines, that is electronic voting machines. Now, these are a special kind of machines. Now, these special machines and modern machines through which electrically voting is done. Where in the same like ballot paper, you have symbol, names, important details of candidates, and each button is prescribed for one single individual candidate or one single individual institution. And on this way, what happens? The person presses a button. A person, if suppose this is X, it is a symbol, and I like want to vote this particular political organization. There will be a button here. This button, if I press it, what happens? The vote, my vote, what happens? It automatically goes to that political party, and counting is also automatically done. If another person again comes and votes in the same button, what happens? My vote plus his vote becomes 2 votes. So automatically it gets counted in electronic voting machine. So it is easier way of bringing about the election procedures in a more effective manner. So these are certain important things that takes place during the time of election, and in this chapter we studied about the various basic thing to understand what exactly election means. Now it is to be said to you all that you should understand this chapter very properly. And why I'm saying so, because students, see, this is basic thing that you are understanding about certain chapters here, which is very much important. Now these basics thing are fundamental things only. If you understand it properly, it will be helpful for you in your upper classes to understand this concept more easily, which has a vaster details or more internal details individually about each of these chapter. So it is very much important to know these subjects that you are studying now, because it will give you a base principle for your higher classes. So go through this chapter and understand one more time properly by self reading it. And if you have any problems in regarding to any understanding any particular topic, you can contact me and get your doubts cleared. So, and on the other hand, in all the exercises that you have inside the chapters, like match the following, fill in the blanks, or multiple choice questions, kindly do it and complete it. Okay, so that your understanding, your knowledge procedures are increased, and by this activities that we give you to do it, you are intact with your studies and you do not get distracted from it, which is very much important, at least during this particular time of period when the classes, normal classes, are not going on. So this is all about this chapter, which talks about election and various important things and activities during the time of elections. Thank you very much, and have a good day.